Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I Tanveer bhatt from Ganderbal area of Jammu and Kashmir, country India. Today, after a long time, we will start with a very another interesting topic regarding forestry or wildlife in India. The topic is beneficial for those who wants to know more about forestry in India. The topic is vegetative reproduction, advantages of vegetative reproduction. Firstly, I will tell you definition of vegetative reproduction is defined as asexual reproduction in plants from some part of the plant body. For example, of trees by copies or root sucker or from root stem or branch cuttings. Second one is advantages of vegetative reproduction. The power to produce new plants by vegetative reproduction gives the species following advantages. First one is one plant produces several plants. Second one is this is also possible when the plant is not capable of produce seeds. Third one is the plants obtained from vegetative reproduction grow faster than the seedlings and costs less. Another portion of this topic is methods of vegetative reproduction. First one is cut scopies. Second one is root sucker, cutting, layering. Last one is grafting. First one is copies. Copies is that method of vegetative reproduction in which the trees, plants, or the seedlings of the species, when cut from near the ground level, produces copious shoots. Root sucker. Root sucker is that method of vegetative reproduction in which a root or a plant is partially or wholly cut to produce a shoot called root sucker. Third one is cutting. Cutting is that method of vegetative reproduction in which a portion of the stem, branch, or root is placed in the soil or other medium in order that it may develop into a plant. Depending on the part of the plant used, cutting may be classified into stem cutting, branch cutting, or root cuttings. Layering. Inducing development of roots on branches when they are attached, when they are still attached to the tree is called layering. Layering may be classified into two types: air layering, soil layering. Last one is very essential is grafting. Grafting is that method of vegetative reproduction in which a portion called scion of one plant is applied to stalk, usually rooted, which is another plant, with the object of securing vegetative union between the two. When the scion is detached from the parent plant and the shoot of the other plant is seared to produce a new plant to be planted out. There are several methods of grafting, but cleft grafting has been found to be more useful for genetic improvement work in forestry. For cleft grafting, flowering shoots of plus trees are cut and kept about 40 to 45 centimeter long. These are called scions. If the scions are to be transported to long distance, their cut ends are dipped in melted wax and then taken out. Thus, the cut end gets a coating of wax and therefore it does not dry and is not liable to be attacked by fungi or insects. In a spite, in a spite of this precaution, attempt is made to transport the cyans to the grafting place latest within 24 hours. So this was something little bit information about vegetative reproduction and methods and advantages. Hope that it shall benefit you somewhere. Thanks a lot.